I want to give you an Opus Clip review. Opus Clip is a piece of software that I'm using to help me with my affiliate marketing. What it's really good at is taking a longer video, 5, 10, 20 minutes, half an hour, whatever, and then breaking it up into small pieces. Um, why is it sort of different to doing it yourself? Well, I mean, I've done this in the past, and you have to kind of load the video into a video editor. You go through and you find the bits that make sense. Opus Clip is different because it uses AI to kind of understand the long video and it chops it up into pieces that make sense. And that's why I like it and does a really good job of that. But also, I've tried another one of these things, and this one seems to be better out of the ones I've tried anyway at giving us a better format when you take, say, a square video and you want to turn it into TikTok content or Facebook Reels or YouTube Shorts. So I am going to show you what I'm using it for in my review. I'm to be honest with you, I'm sure I'm not using all the features, but let me open it up on the screen. Might make sense. Here we go. Screen two, share sound. Right. So you, when you log in, you can simply put a YouTube link in here, and it's YouTube, Rumble. What else can you put in? Zoom link, right? So you can put those in, or you can just upload your file, or you can link it with Google Drive and choose a video that you've got in your Google Drive. So there's plenty of ways you can actually get the media in. So I tend to record a video such as this one, look, passive money machine, right? Um, excuse me. And as you can see, it says 26 days before expiring. So what happens is to clear server space, I guess after so long, they take these off. But if you want to go and see the long video, if you go and search in YouTube, can AI create a passive money machine? Go and search for that, and you should be able to find it in YouTube. But if you want to see the shorts that we've created that we're putting on other platforms, it goes through the process. You click this, and this is what it produces. And it also puts the subtitles on, it puts everything. Now, this score here is how good it thinks it is in terms of it making sense and being on point and everything. And you get a nice little heading as well to use straight away. So it's really, really good. And I don't think I need to do a massive review here um, because you can go and try it out for free. Right, and there's not an affiliate link or anything I'm giving you. You can just go and try it. Opus Clip. Right, if you just go and search for it in Google, you'll find it. I'll put a link in the description. But if we just look at, I mean, this is the AI assistant that we're using in our business. So if I just play
I don't
this one
like
real quick.
selling. I don't want to sell anything to anybody. So I don't know how I would get people to come and look and how I would, get customers. Can you help with that?
Absolutely, Paul. The beauty of the power lead system is that you don't have to do all the selling yourself.
So that's the AI talking to me, and I was demoing it in the video. And then you can schedule it out to post where you want it to go. YouTube, TikTok, TikTok drafts, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and X. Okay, so you can do that, and you can actually schedule it when you want it to go out. I tend to be honest with you, get rid of this. Confirm and exit. There we go. I tend to just literally download them. Okay. And you can also go in and you can edit it if you wanted to change maybe one of the captions or anything like that. Personally, I don't find that I've had to do that. I don't find that I've had to edit any of these. I just find it works really, really well for me, but you can if you want. So just a short video today on Opus Clip. Like I say, link in the description. Go and check the passive money. Can AI create a passive money machine video as well? It's sort of a not so subtle hint to go and check that out, I guess. But I was going to say, if you want to see sort of the full video and then you can see what it's done from the clips here, you got an interesting comparison. Okay. If you like little tips like this is a massive time saver in your business. If you like things like this, give me a subscribe, and there are going to be a lot more coming. See you later.